Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to give you an exclusive look at the highly anticipated 2025 Nissan Figaro. As we prepare for the arrival of this new model, let's reflect on how the iconic Figaro has captured the hearts of people worldwide. With its distinctive shape and cheerful personality, the Nissan Figaro has become a symbol of fun and freedom on the road. As we enter a new era in automotive design, what can we expect from the beloved Figaro in 2025? Let's find out. In this video, we'll explore the exterior of the 2025 Nissan Figaro and offer you a sneak peek at how this iconic car will evolve. We've sifted through all the rumors and data to provide you with a comprehensive preview. Stay tuned and subscribe for the latest updates on all things automotive. The Nissan Figaro is one of those classic cars that holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. First launched in 1991, the car is known for its charming and unique retro design. Looking ahead, the 2025 Nissan Figaro will return with a look that seamlessly blends its signature retro style with a modern touch. The 2025 Nissan Figaro retains the iconic design elements that made it so beloved. The rounded body shape, round headlights, and elegant chrome grille remain its defining characteristics. However, thanks to advanced production technology and materials, every curve and detail will be more precise and smooth. Incorporating modern elements, the 2025 Nissan Figaro will feature advanced LED lights while maintaining its retro aesthetic. The front grille will have a more aerodynamic design but will still showcase charming chrome accents. The rims will also receive a modern update with a lighter and stronger design, yet retain the classic style. The 2025 Nissan Figaro is the perfect blend of captivating retro style and sophisticated modern technology. By preserving its iconic design and adding futuristic touches, the Nissan Figaro will be a car that not only pleases the eye, but also provides an extraordinary driving experience. This future full of innovation promises that the Nissan Figaro will remain a symbol of style and uniqueness in the automotive world. What do you think about the design of the 2025 Nissan Figaro? Share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for the latest information and in-depth reviews of the 2025 Nissan Figaro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest developments in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and see you again on 4 Wheels channel.